In 1873, the Little Sisters of the Poor, a Catholic religious order focused on care for the elderly impoverished, established an Indianapolis presence. They focused their mission on serving individuals over the age of 60 with no means of financial support, regardless of race, religion, or ethnic background. The Newark, Delaware-based organization fundraises primarily through public appeals and almsgiving, direct mail, and special events. Some of their proceeds come from the residents directly via small pensions and Medicaid reimbursements. Their motto has remained that no one should die alone and has sustained their activities since inception. In 1967, the organization opened the St. Augustine Home for the Aged in Indianapolis, offering shelter, comfort, and basic nursing care for residents. The charitable organization found themselves trapped in the crosshairs of a federal dispute following the passage of the 2011 Affordable Care Act passed by Congress and signed into law. Federal agencies charged with implementing the law enacted regulations regarding employers who offered health insurance to provide coverage for Food and Drug Administration approved contraceptives. 4 of these outlets could be used to stimulate early abortions that the Little Sisters organization strongly objected to. The Catholic Church has maintained a stance of prohibitions against both contraception and abortion. The organization labeled this objectionable interpretation as a contraceptive mandate. In 2016, the Supreme Court ruled that all religious organizations, including the Little Sisters, needed to work with the federal government to work out their disagreements and find a solution. The contraceptive mandate continued to be waged in federal courts with various conflicting rulings. In 2017, the Trump administration issued new regulations that significantly expanded the exemptions to the contraceptive requirement. The states of Pennsylvania and New Jersey subsequently sued the administration, contending that they had no right or authority to exempt organizations, particularly the Little Sisters group, based solely on religious principles. The case once again ended up before the Supreme Court. During 2020, the court ruled 7-2 that the Trump administration did have the authority to broaden religious exemptions to the contraceptive mandate. The controversy remains far from resolved. In the meanwhile, St. Augustine continues their worthy operations addressing an often overlooked and discarded segment of the population.